Welcome, everyone. I'm so glad you're here to join us as we dive into one of the most captivating celestial events of our time, the 2025 dark solar eclipse. This rare and breathtaking phenomenon is much more than just a stunning visual display. It's an opportunity for introspection, awe, and a deeper connection to the universe around us. On March 29, 2025, something truly remarkable will happen. The solar will turn a rich, deep crimson as it moves into Earth's shadow. This beautiful sight will mesmerize skywatchers across the globe. Whether you're an astronomy enthusiast, a casual stargazer, or simply someone who enjoys stepping outside to marvel at the night sky, this is an event you won't want to miss. The dark solar is more than just a feast for the eyes. It carries deep significance across different cultures, scientific fields, and personal experiences. Throughout history, lunar eclipses have been seen as symbols of transformation and spiritual awakening. Ancient civilizations often linked these events to gods, prophecies, and changes in cosmic energy. Even today, many people use these moments to reflect, set new intentions, and embrace the opportunity for renewal. From a scientific perspective, the dark solar offers a fascinating chance to explore the dynamics of our solar system. The solar takes on its eerie red hue during the eclipse because Earth's atmosphere scatters shorter wavelengths of light, like blue and green, and allows only the longer red wavelengths to reach it. This is why our sunsets and sunrises are also so vividly colored. Eclipses like this one give astronomers and scientists an opportunity to study how Earth's atmosphere behaves, making it an eagerly awaited event in the scientific community. For many people, especially those who have been watching the skies for years, the 2025 dark solar will be a chance to relive past celestial events and share those memories with younger generations. It serves as a reminder that the night sky connects us all, spanning across time, cultures, and generations. So, how can you make the most of this incredible experience? What exactly will you see and where? Let's take a closer look at this extraordinary lunar eclipse and explore why it's worth witnessing. While we're on the topic of eclipses, it's important to note that partial solar eclipses, another type of celestial event, are different from lunar eclipses like the one we'll be seeing. During a partial solar eclipse, the solar passes between the Earth and the Sun, but doesn't completely cover the Sun's disk. This results in a crescent-shaped slice of the Sun that remains visible. These partial eclipses allow some sunlight to reach the Earth's surface, so the sky dims but doesn't go completely dark. The amount of sunlight blocked varies depending on your location on Earth, but in every case, the Sun is never fully hidden. If you're planning to observe an eclipse, it's important to do so safely. Even when the solar partially covers the Sun, the remaining sunlight can still be harmful to your eyes. Ordinary sunglasses won't offer enough protection. To safely watch an eclipse, you need special eclipse glasses or solar filters to avoid eye damage. The duration of a partial solar eclipse can vary depending on where you're located. It typically lasts for several hours, starting when the solar first begins to cover the Sun and ending when it moves away completely. The maximum eclipse, when the Sun is most obscured, occurs somewhere in the middle of that period. Now, as we look ahead to the dark solar eclipse, let's take a moment to appreciate its beauty, significance, and the chance it offers to connect with the wonders of the universe. This event is sure to be a memorable one, and we hope you're ready to witness this cosmic spectacle with us. Solar eclipses have attracted humans for ages and are still studied. They provide rare chances to study the Sun, Earth, and their interactions. This partial eclipse is significant to scholars for various reasons. The Sun's corona, the outermost layer of its atmosphere, is studied during solar eclipses. Coronas are hard to see due to the Sun's brilliance. When the solar covers part of the Sun, the corona becomes visible, enabling scientists to study its structure, temperature, and behavior. Eclipses are also a natural laboratory for researching solar radiation and Earth's atmosphere. Sunlight changes during an eclipse may affect weather, temperature, and the Earth's atmosphere. Scientists track these changes to better understand solar impacts on Earth. Solar eclipses may temporarily affect technology. The eclipse rapidly affects the ionosphere, which reflects radio waves, disrupting satellite communications and radio broadcasts. Scientists use these disturbances to research how solar radiation impacts weather and communications. Solar eclipses affect animals and humans beyond science. When light dims suddenly, many animals act like it's darkness. Birds may nest, nocturnal animals may become active, and certain animals may be confused. These behavioral changes reveal how animals perceive and react to natural light cycles. Over the centuries, humans have seen solar eclipses with wonder, dread, and scientific curiosity. Ancient people saw eclipses as divine signs or warnings. Some civilizations perceived them as heralds of approaching catastrophe, while others saw them as spiritual experiences. Now that eclipses are scientifically understood, people worldwide anxiously await them. To see the eclipse, astronomers and eclipse chasers go to key places. Solar eclipses are popular because they show celestial physics at their best. This partial solar eclipse highlights our solar system's complexity and change. It shows the universe's immensity by highlighting the Sun, solar, and Earth's exact alignment. Solar eclipses are one of the most fascinating natural occurrences observable from Earth, whether for science, personal interest, or culture. Legends, myths, and spiritual importance surround lunar eclipses. Many civilizations have attributed this celestial phenomena to supernatural energies, heavenly messages, or change and rejuvenation. Inca interpretations are stunning. The solar was bleeding from a jaguar assault, they suspected. Their legend says the jaguar will eat the solar if allowed uncontrolled. To deter the heavenly predator, the Incas shouted, threw spears, and made loud sounds. Their ceremonies linked nature, spirituality, and cosmic powers. Chinese legend depicted lunar eclipses as heavenly dragons consuming the solar. The Chinese thought this dragon must be expelled to restore heaven's equilibrium. Similar to the Incas, they banged drums, threw off fireworks, and made loud sounds to scare the dragon and assure solar return. The human desire to identify patterns and ascribe significance to natural occurrences reinforces the concept that the universe and human destiny are linked. A complete lunar eclipse was a moment for contemplation and transformation in many Native American cultures. Some tribes saw it as a time to contemplate, let go of negativity, and evolve. It was believed that the eclipse was a spiritual reset that allowed one to reconnect with their mission and make good adjustments. Today, lunar eclipses are meaningful, especially for seniors who have gone through numerous life changes. This celestial occurrence might inspire regeneration and change for them. Let's reflect on the past, enjoy the present, and look ahead with hope and wisdom. Like the solar, people may overcome their trials and become stronger and more enlightened. A lunar eclipse is a scientific wonder as well as spiritual and cultural. This dark eclipse is more than a pretty sight. When this happens, NASA and astronomers are as enthusiastic as stargazers. Lunar eclipses help scientists examine Earth's atmosphere. Sunlight delivers information about our planet's atmospheric composition via our atmosphere to the solar. Scientists can learn about climatic and atmospheric changes from this light. This study is essential to understanding how our environment is changing and how to safeguard it. Lunar eclipses simulate extraterrestrial circumstances, making them ideal for space equipment testing. Researchers refine space exploration tools at this time. Astronomers may improve their planet hunting methods by analyzing how light interacts with the solar during eclipses. A lunar eclipse is powerful and awe-inspiring, whether seen via mythology, personal contemplation, or science. It connects old beliefs with recent findings, reminding us of our position in the vast and enigmatic universe. Seniors, this occasion is particularly noteworthy since dark eclipses are rarer than solar eclipses. It will be many years until the next complete lunar eclipse, making this a rare chance to see a stunning night sky event. Such an incident is rare, therefore experiencing it might be memorable. Not just another night, it's an opportunity to observe history in the making, a cosmic phenomena that has enthralled humans for generations. Did you know stargazing is therapeutic? A solar eclipse may improve mental and emotional health. Studies demonstrate that spending time beneath the night sky may lower stress and anxiety by promoting mindfulness, relaxation, and a feeling of serenity and perspective. Curiosity and amazement keep your mind busy and learning for life. Enjoying the cosmos may be a great reprieve from daily stresses. Awe and astonishment in the night sky, celestial bodies' slow, hypnotic movement, and the universe's sheer grandeur may boost the soul. Why not a family affair? Set up chairs or blankets in your backyard with your family and enjoy this amazing experience. Watching the dark eclipse may lead to deep talks and loving memories. This gathering may bring generations together by exchanging memories, reminiscing, or pondering the cosmos. Now is a great moment for grandparents to teach their grandchildren and spark their interest. Share your recollections of eclipses and celestial phenomena with children and grandkids to inspire a lifelong passion of astronomy. Imagine the thrill of witnessing a child's eyes light up during their first lunar eclipse, knowing the solar has shined for millennia. The beauty of stargazing is that you can start exploring the cosmos at any age. More observation, more learning. This eclipse may motivate you to study space science and the universe. Join a local astronomy group or talk to other stargazers online. Space's beauty may be enjoyed without a telescope or specialized education. Just glance up and admire the cosmos. If this event interests you, there are various ways to explore. Download an astronomy app to identify constellations, planets, and other celestial objects. Books, movies, and online courses make learning about the cosmos simple at home. Technology provides intriguing possibilities for people who cannot readily leave. Many observatories and space organizations webcast celestial events, so you can watch the eclipse with professional commentary. Virtual planetariums provide stunning night sky views, allowing you to explore the universe in ways that were inconceivable decades ago. Preparing for this occasion may also make it unique. If you like journaling or scrapbooking, record your experience. Write about your eclipse experience, take photographs, and highlight intriguing things. This might be a great memory to share. Some like to draw the solar as it changes throughout the night to capture its beauty in a unique manner. Reflecting on the larger picture is also great now. Historical tales, folklore, and scientific discoveries have been inspired by eclipses. They remind us of the universe's immensity and our role in it. It's a chance to connect with something higher, whether you see it as a scientific wonder, spiritual experience, or lovely sight. Now you know all about the 2025 dark eclipse, not simply another celestial occurrence. This uncommon and beautiful phenomena gives a unique chance for introspection, learning, and enjoying the universe. The 2025 dark eclipse is a magnificent extravaganza and a chance to contemplate the cosmos and our position in it. Lunar eclipses have inspired myths, stories, and science for millennia. Astronomers use them to investigate the solar's surface and atmosphere in ways that are impossible under normal circumstances. Ancient civilizations interpreted them as omens. This eclipse is projected to be one of the most stunning in recent years, with a deep crimson light throwing an eerie but lovely glow across the night sky. This should not be missed, Whether you watch from your garden, an observatory, or a special event, spend time with family, put up telescopes, or just observe. After passing under Earth's shadow, the solar will glow crimson, a spectacle not seen for years. Seniors, this is a great chance to experience something unique. These moments remind us of the beauty and mystery of the world outside our daily existence. The 2025 dark eclipse is worth writing on your calendar if you like astronomy or nature's most amazing spectacles. Enjoy the eclipse by learning about its science, enjoying it with loved ones, or photographing it. Whatever you decide, remember that this is an opportunity to see a celestial splendor that has inspired centuries. Prepare for an incredible sight on March 29, 2025. Step outdoors, gaze up, and admire the moving cosmos. These events remind us of space's immensity and the enormous powers beyond our planet. Thanks for reading.